Yeah man, welcome forward to the channel. You see it is the next update from Queenie. You see it. She does talk about a little disgrace we go down and say Dewey and shame about it, but she just because know say she's just a strong black bad woman, you see it, and she go fight for her relationship. And this even makes she love Dewey more. Yeah man, so let's go and big up yourself, Queenie. Just don't beat the man and the relationship. Just go and stay strong, you see it. Yeah man, just remember to like, comment and share and subscribe to the channel.
And early bird catching more worm. You see me, Queenie? I was chosen. I got chosen preacher. That's the end of this decision I make. I cope with it, whether I turn out good or bad. And I understand that? That's why I say I will apologize for things, but I won't sorry. Besides to my husband, that shame and that disgrace, I was to take that step. And I have to explain to you, but I want to show you I'm a bad now. God bad creature. God made me so. God want me to be like this. Whoever say an empty mango tree at Jamaica, we never see nobody stone it. Them stone mango tree and mango in her. So no go and throw a stone for Queenie. The Bible says, he that cries first stone. See mango tree there? Show the people. Stone the mango! Go and stone me. Anything Queenie do, she stand up in it. You see my husband? Many married till death do us part, for better or worse, sickness or in health. And you see when me let out my esteem, it make me stronger. So you see that disgrace there? Where is that disgrace, Queenie? And Queenie should have did it. No regrets. Flowers for the ladies. Morning. R.I.P. my pitney. I am who I am. And I will never change for no one. You hear that? No shame to Queenie again. Queenie hot girl. Go up and Anthony Miller show. At Jamaica, when name ER. What me say? Me's like a bird up there. And the dog them down your back. Nothing wanna do. Nothing wanna say. Do not make a difference. All of who support me, blessed love. But realistically, I don't give up no one. Me some of them will never know. Some of them will never ever meet me. So me if it's gonna put it up on my head, good luck to the man and all the best. Can't be everybody cup of tea, Queenie. Cause he's not a mug. I'm a craziness keep my life. My husband, you know I love you. And them say shame, they can't wait. But it pack net. You see that disgrace, eh? I'm gonna see you come back. I love you even more. I'm gonna fight for you more. Because that was the test. You're gone? Alright, Queenie, your head gone too. See you come back there, God works. So, nothing come easy. Queenie, you're just nice. Morning!
People they want to know if a real gun. You tell them say a fake. Tell them man.
Yeah, tell him I know.
Tell them man. Tell them say gun and a real.
Which one?
One of them
You want to shoot the coil?
one of them come for you for.
We don't shoot with it. Your blood bath, your butt.
Yeah.
Them butter.
Come man, go tell the people them what go on.
No, that I see a righteous man in the Bible and so the
Tell
butter.
the
See
people
move you on the butter. See my move. You see butter move.
You gun real.
See butter move there. Eh?
What you put up on the internet, the gun? You real?
I want to say Bible real, but without the gun not real. No, but me say Bible real.
Alright.
Me have to know that.
Aye. Big up yourself.
Aye.
Yeah.